Hello guys, in this part we install IDE and create our first project. C# IDE. The easiest way to get started with C# is to use an IDE. An IDE means Integrated Development Environment is used to edit and compile code. In our tutorial we will use Visual Studio Community, which is free to download from this link. Applications written in C# use .NET Framework, so it makes sense to use Visual Studio, as the program, the framework, and the language are all created by Microsoft. Once the Visual Studio installer is downloaded and installed, choose the .NET workload and what you need and click on the Modify Install button. After the install Visual Studio, I choose Create a new project and I click Console app and choose a name. And in this input you can choose your location. I choose .NET 6 and create. Visual Studio will automatically generate some code to you for your project. Don't worry if you don't understand the code above, we will discuss it in detail in later chapters. For now, focus on how to run the code. For run the code, hit Ctrl F5. Congratulations. And for debug the code, hit F5.